Reading time. Reading time. Okubala essaawa. Okubala essaawa. Hello and welcome. And today we are going to see how you can read time. Okubala essaawa in Luganda. Please note, time in Luganda is read according to 12-hour clock. Time in Luganda is read according to 12-hour clock. You should know how to count numbers from 1 up to 12, both in English and Luganda. Also note, morning in Luganda is kumacha, evening oreggulo, night ekiro. Okay, so let's start. It is 6 a.m. It is 6 a.m. Saawa ziri 12 ez'okumakya. Saawa ziri 12 ez'okumakya. It is 7 a.m. Saawa eri emu ey'okumakya. Saawa eri emu ey'okumakya. It is 8 a.m. It is 8 a.m. Essaawa ziri 2 ez'okumakya. Essaawa ziri 2 ez'okumakya. It is 11 a.m. It is 11 a.m. Essaawa ez'okumakya. Essaawa ziri 5 ez'okumakya. It is 12 p.m. It is 12 p.m. Essaawa ziri 6. Essaawa ziri 6. It is 2 p.m. It is 2 p.m. Essaawa ziri 8. Essaawa ziri 8. It is 6 p.m. It is 6 p.m. Essaawa ziri 12 ez'olweggulo. Essaawa ziri 12 ez'olweggulo. Okay, so let's continue. It is 7 p.m. It is 7 p.m. Essaawa eri emu ey'olweggulo. Essaawa eri emu ey'olweggulo. Please note, from 8 onwards, those are night hours. So please note, from 8 p.m. onwards, those are night hours. So it is 8 p.m. Saawa ziri 2 ez'ekiro. Saawa ziri 2 ez'ekiro. It is 9 p.m. Essaawa ziri 3 ez'ekiro. Saawa ziri 3 ez'ekiro. It is 12 a.m. It is 12 a.m. This is midnight. Essaawa ziri 6 ez'ekiro. Ziri 6 ez'ekiro. It is 2 a.m. It is 2 a.m. Essaawa ziri 8 ez'ekiro. Essaawa ziri 8 ez'ekiro. Hope you can note the difference between day and night hours. Ez'ekiro kumakya. Please note, from 5 a.m. onwards, those are morning hours. So if it clocks to 5 a.m. In Luganda, we say Sawa ziri 11 ez'okumakya. Sawa ziri 11 ez'okumakya. Okay, we're going to proceed with more and more techniques on reading time in Luganda and English. Bye bye. Mweraba.